Hey guys, MD95 TSI and the regulators. We're out here. We're going to run some Acro out here in the field, do some flights through the trees in here, and let's hope it goes good. It's finally stopped raining here, so I can finally get out here and have some fun with this guy. Hope you enjoyed the flight, guys. So dark. Here we go. Broke the prop. Damn. See if I can get it back. Well, guys, it happens. Try to throw it too hard. I got in trouble. That GoPro's taking a whooping today. Alright guys, yeah, it happens. I'm gonna tell you what I'm not counting in today out here is this wind. It's there. Like, I don't know if I can hold something up and you see it moving, but it's there. The wind, it comes and goes, and it's like when I whip it, I know I'm too close to the ground too. I do understand that. But it's like when I whip it, it doesn't want to, it rolls, but then the wind factors in and it kind of like pushes it down, I guess, depending on how the wind is. So I think practice with some zero winds would be the way to go. So I'm gonna give up on it today because I already broke my 3D printed antenna mount for it, which is no big deal. I'll print another one. My cooling fan wasn't working properly when I printed this one. I think that was the problem. So the VTX worked fine. Yeah, GoPro's a little loose too. Hitting the ground twice now. So hey, got some crashes. Sucks, but everything looks good on the Wizard. Props got bent up a little bit. I put them right back down, and everything seems to be fine. Doesn't seem to be nothing with the mods or anything that I did. It's just the wind. Like, see, now there's none. But then you'll get to where it comes and goes. Like, you can see the bird. He just more or less glides. He's swinging. But then when the winds come, you ought to see him getting thrown all over this field. So, yep. So that's going to be the Acro for the day. I've been having a bad day anyway, so I should have known don't come out here when you got things on your mind. Don't try to do this. I thought this would unwind it and let it go, but it doesn't. So nothing bad, just a lot of stuff thinking about. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to cut you off. You've got a dog that barks at you every time. So MD95 TSI and the regulators signing out.